Good morning. It's breakfast time, and it's time to make an omelet. This is part of a collaboration. Hashtag my ultimate omelet. It's hosted by my pals at Catalina Treats and Justina's Country Kitchen. Let's make this omelet now a cheeseburger omelet. Let's chop some onion. Let's cook it in some butter. I have some leftover cheeseburger patties that I'm going to chop up. Let's add in that meat. For each omelet I make, I'm going to use about 3 eggs, a couple teaspoons of water, and a couple teaspoons of Worcestershire. Whisk that together until nice and frothy. Let's start cooking those eggs. Let's add some of that hamburger and onion mix and some shredded sharp cheddar. Now I'm just going to flip it over. Let's add a little pepper and some Thousand Island dressing. My ultimate omelet, a cheeseburger omelet. Let's try it. Magnificent. Now make sure you check out the hashtag my ultimate omelet to see more omelet ideas. What does a meditating egg say? Omelet.